wake up, look in the mirror, and notice a new spot on your shoulder that looks like someone pressed a piece of brown candle wax against your skin. It is raised. It is rough. It definitely was not there a year ago. These are seborrheic keratosis growths. Most of us just call them age spots or barnacles of aging. They are common. They are usually harmless, but they can be a real hit to your confidence. Suddenly, your phone starts showing you ads for a product called DermiQua. This body oil claims to be the ultimate solution for those waxy patches. The marketing is very slick. It promises to reach deep beneath the visible surface of your skin. It claims to support a smoother texture and even stop new growths from forming. They say you will see a transformation in as little as 4 weeks. They show off a nearly perfect rating from tens of thousands of customers. They use terms like dermatologist approved and made in the USA. It sounds like a complete no-brainer, but we have to look past the shiny packaging. There is a massive difference between a marketing claim and actual clinical evidence. When a company says their oil penetrates multiple skin layers, that is a very bold statement. It sounds scientific, but where are the independent studies? We need to see hard data before we believe a topical oil can melt away a physical growth. These growths are not just sitting on the surface. They have a specific biological structure. Thinking an oil can just flatten them out might be a bit of wishful thinking. Also, we have to talk about the danger of self-diagnosis. A lot of skin issues look very similar to the naked eye. Some are harmless. Others are much more serious. If you have a spot that is changing, bleeding, or growing quickly, a bottle of oil is not the answer. You need a professional to look at it first. Do not skip the doctor just because an ad told you this oil is a miracle cure. We also need to talk about those reviews. A high rating looks impressive on a website, but those reviews are often curated by the brand itself. You should go looking for verified, independent reports from real people. Look at the ingredient list very closely. Is there anything in there that actually treats growths? Or is it just a blend of hydrating oils? Hydration is great for your skin. It can make a rough patch feel softer. That might make it look a little better. But softening a growth is not the same as removing it. Many of these products rely on the fact that we want a quick and cheap fix. We want to avoid the doctor. We want to avoid expensive procedures. But your health is worth more than a bottle of oil. Be a skeptic. Ask for the science. Check the safety data. If a deal sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Do not let a well-timed social media ad pressure you into buying something without proof. Your skin is your largest organ. It deserves better than a guess and a prayer. Always look for the evidence. Check the verified customer feedback. Do not rely on claims that have not been tested by an outside lab. Your body is worth the extra research. Stay curious and stay cautious before you hand over your credit card information. Be smart about what you put on your skin. If you are unsure, talk to a dermatologist. They have the tools to give you a real answer. Do not settle for marketing fluff when you need medical facts. It is your health on the line.